Ganito po sa aming probinsya. Sige lang, walk lang kayo. Then may ilog kami. That's the river. Look at the river. Side by side. Pag umuulan, baha dito, no? Pag umuulan, paano pag palengke, baha dito, tataas ang tubig?
Hindi naman pwede yung malapit.
Huh?
Gagawin pa ito ng tulay.
Tapos isipin mo pag maraming sasakyan.
Ginawa na lang yun.
Oo. Lalagyan ng weighing bridge.
Oh, bridge. Mabilis naman magawa na yun ng bridge, di ba? I-pre-cut.
We work from that place. And we're returning back to my mother's house. Doon kami galing. We came from that place. That's near the mountain. All are green, look. Tallest tree. Saan ba yung lumian? Ano, kakain na ba kayo?
Ako hindi pa.
Ako hindi rin eh.
Mamaya papa.
Ay, yung ano, tamarind tree.
Mamaya.
That's tamarind tree.
Aga pa eh.
Tamarind tree. That's the tamarind tree.